What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money, from how to save money, make more money, side hustles, and everything in between. In today's video, I'm going to cover a bad credit lending product that's loaning up to $5,000 in personal loans. Yes, you heard that right. With this product, you don't need perfect credit. You don't even need good or fair credit. This company is lending up to $5,000 for people with bad credit. And best of all, there's no hard pull on your credit report. Let's check it out. So before I begin, I notice a lot of people are dropping off the video once I tell you what the product is. So I'm gonna wait to the end of the video to tell you what we're actually covering. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. But I'd actually like you to watch the video because I go over terms and things that you're actually gonna wanna know about the product before applying. Watch the whole video, it's free. So the product we're reviewing today is called Credit Ninja. And Credit Ninja lends $300 to $5,000 for people with bad credit. The best part of all is that they don't go off of your FICO score. Credit Ninja goes off of another credit scoring system called Clarity. And with Clarity, they go off a bunch of different factors, not just your FICO credit score. So you're more likely to get qualified for this loan with bad credit. So I'm here at their website, creditninja.com. So right off the bat, on top where it says personal loans, you would think they'd be three different types of products: personal loan, bad credit loan, and online installment loan. But if I click on bad credit loan, it doesn't really give me anything. All it's telling me are the different types of loans, but not saying that these guys actually fund these types of loans. So you can't pick a personal loan, a bad credit loan, or an online installment loan. They only offer one credit product, a personal loan. If you go up top to where it says apply now, this is where you're gonna actually apply. All you need to apply is you're gonna create an account, enter some information. They're gonna give you your funding amount and your rate. Once you accept, now they're gonna run a hard pull on your credit report after you accept it. From there, you're gonna get funded in as little as 1 business day. So I will make the statement that this loan is for emergency money, nothing else but emergency money. This is for something that you're gonna need to pay off quick. You need that quick cash because the APR is gonna be pretty high on this since they do qualify people with bad credit. All right, so let's get into some of the fees of this loan. First glance, I was excited at presenting this product because it was offering loans to people with bad credit. But now that I see the APR, it kind of took the wind out of my sail. Let's check this out. The APRs are starting at 199%. I don't even think that's legal. Is that legal? Personal loan interest rates typically range from 5 to 36%. On top of all that, there's a 5% origination fee, which means if you get approved for a $2,000 loan, you're gonna get hit with a $100 fee just for taking out that money. A 12 to 18 month loan term and 199 to a 349% APR. Yes, not 1.99, no, 199% to 349%. Obviously, it's going to depend on your state. Different states have different caps on interest rates, but they're going to give you that high end of the spectrum. So all you need to qualify for this loan is be at least 19 years of age. Yes, 19, not 18. A credit score of at least 500, a bank account, proof of income, and your driver license. And that's it. Okay, so quick cash, easy approval, bad credit, this is it. But if you're looking for a longer term loan, this is not it. If you're looking for something with a high credit limit, this is not it. This is emergency money only. That's it. That's all you want to use this loan for. All right, so there it is. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to check out all my other credit product reviews, but hold on, don't go yet. If you want to make $75 by opening up a check account, all you have to do is click the link in my description, sign up for Chime, and once you make a deposit totaling $400, you'll receive $75 into your account, absolutely free, for doing nothing else but depositing money into your account. So click the link in the description right now. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.